Hey guys, it's Kay, I hope you're all well. So this is just a quick video to let you know that Amazon's added a holiday hub to the Fire TVs for browsing holiday movies and TV shows. Now of course content may vary depending on your location around the world, but I think it's a great idea for this time of the year when you sit down with all the family and you want to find some content quickly. It gives you a one-stop stop. So in this video I'm going to be looking at how you get access to it, and of course reviewing what kind of content's available on it, and giving you my opinion on whether it's worth taking a look at. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, reviews and unboxings, I do everything including Fire Stick, Raspberry Pi and Android TV tips and tricks, so subscribe and hit the notification button. So just like last year, Amazon's added a holiday hub to the Fire TV devices. Now I wasn't aware this was made available last year, so I'm letting you guys know up front so you can take advantage of it. Now on this new holiday hub you can find festive movies and TV show episodes to watch. Now apparently to get the new hub you need to say open holiday hub into your remote control, and of course they're saying don't be surprised if an icon to launch the hub appears in your app list in the coming days. Now of course the holiday hub has rows of content relating to holidays, such as a row for the holiday romance movies, top holiday TV episodes, classic holiday movies, holiday comedies and loads more. So let's go over to my Fire Stick TV and take a look at this holiday hub. Okay guys, so we're on my Fire Stick TV and I've got the 4K version here. So to get to this new Christmas hub, all we need to say is Christmas hub by pressing down the microphone button on your remote control. Christmas hub. And there you go guys, it does also work with Christmas hub as you can see. Now if you just said holiday hub, all you would get would be holiday hub at the top instead of Christmas hub, but the content you get would be the same. So as you can see we've got quite a few little categories listed below, and the first of these is free with ads. And as the name suggests, these are free movies or TV shows of a festive nature with ads. And there's quite a good selection here as free movies go. Now to watch some of these free movies with ads, you might need to get the appropriate app. So as you can see with this movie here, you need to have already installed the free app Plex. So this holiday hub from Amazon does all the hard work for you, in that it will go through and show you all the free to watch media for the holiday season and point you in the right direction to where you can find it. So going along you can see there's tons of content here, it just keeps on going. And another one here from Plex, as you can see, 'Tis the Season. Now back to the main screen, and below free with ads we've got trending on Fire TV. And as you can see you're going to need the Apple TV app to watch this one. And the one next to that, Elf, you're going to need the Now app. Now if you do have the app installed like I do, it'll say just open app and it'll go straight to watching the media. And below trending we've got the latest, then we've got films and TV. And as you can see with this one you're going to need to have your Netflix account logged in. Now the cool thing about this is that you also get a customers also search for category, and as you can see there's quite a wide selection here. So if you're not sure what you're looking for, this will definitely give you some pointers of what's popular. Now this next section, which is called apps and games, I found pretty useful. In particular the fact that it suggests some media apps that I've not heard of and they look pretty good. Like this one here, Christmas Plus. It contains holiday music and movies. And looking at the screenshots, it's got some good features. It's got Christmas hits, Santa top picks, mistletoe romances and family fun. So yeah, pretty good selection. And next to that we've got this app, and again it all looks pretty good. And below that we've got a customers also bought section. So if you are interested in a certain category of apps, this hub is going to suggest those appropriate apps to you. Pretty cool if I don't say so myself. Now I could go on exploring all these apps, but I'll leave that to you. And remember, all these are available via the new Amazon Holiday Hub. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please do give it a like and do consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you all in the next one.